Hi, buddies! It's me, Tiki! Today we are going to make a delicious loaf of pumpkin bread. I love making pumpkin bread in the fall. It tastes great and it makes the house smell so fragrant. First things first, remember that Titi wants you to be extra safe. So make sure you always have a grown-up there with you in the kitchen to lend a hand. Let's get started with our recipe. The very first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then let's get started with our dry ingredients. Let's do 1 3/4 cups of flour. Continuing right along, let's do 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next up, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And now 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And finally, for the last of our dry ingredients, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Grab a whisk and give it a stir. Just mix it for a few seconds until the dry ingredients combine. There. And now to move on to our wet ingredients. I've got a bigger bowl here, so let's start with 1 1/3 cups of sugar. Next up, let's do 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And now to add 2 large eggs. Now it's time to mix it up. Terrific! Now let's add some more ingredients, starting with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now let's add 1/3 cup of milk. And now for the last and most important ingredient, 1 cup of canned pumpkin. And now let's mix it all together. Once the ingredients are just combined, it's time to go back and add in our dry ingredient bowl. And now give it a good stir until the ingredients have just combined. We don't want to over-mix it because then our bread might be a little bit tough, and we don't want that. So just mix it until you see the white of the flour disappear into the rest of the batter. Looks perfect to me. Now that our batter is complete, it's time to put it into a pan. So here I have a 9x5 bread loaf that I've greased. So simply take your batter bowl and dump it right in. Here we go. I love the smell of pumpkin. And now to put our loaf into the oven. And now to bake our bread for about 50 minutes to an hour, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Alright, let's take our bread out of the oven. The cinnamon and the pumpkin smell so wonderful. Look at that beautiful loaf. Now for the old toothpick test. The toothpick looks nice and clean, so our bread is all finished baking. Now we want to leave it in the pan for at least 15 to 20 minutes before we turn it out to finish cooling. Wow, this pumpkin bread loaf looks amazing! Let's give it a try. That's extra good! The bread is so moist and fluffy, and it's still warm in the middle. I love the pumpkin flavor, and just a hint of cinnamon gives it a little spice, which makes it a delicious bread to make in the fall. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a lovely time making this pumpkin bread, and I hope you'll give the recipe a try too. I'll see you guys again soon. And happy creating!